Hello and welcome to this tutorial. My name is Eric Beauchamp. I am the product manager for low vision devices here at HumanWare. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to change your voices into your Mat Connect. The first thing you do is go into Settings from your main carousel. Select User Interface, select System Languages, and here you are brought to the languages that have been installed to be used in Prodigy. In my example, I have Chinese or English. If, for example, I would like to change my Chinese language here to French, what I can do is I can go into Configuration, and here I will have all the languages that are available on Prodigy. Right now it says here that I have selected two voices. Remember the screen before, it was English and Chinese. So I have one in English and I have one in Mandarin. In order to select a new language, I need to unselect the language that I don't want to use anymore. In my case, it would be Mandarin. So I would unselect Mandarin, and then if I want to have French, I would go and find French and select the French language that I want, the TTS that I'd like to have, come back to my main menu, say yes to replace my voices, and it will download and install the new voices. Thank you for listening.